Prevention is always less expensive than a crisis. That's exactly what our meeting is about. Here in this LEAD building is actually a green building, leadership in energy and environmental design. So the program here, it has to be sustainable. Hindi pwede yung puro massive treatments, hindi pwede yung puro chemical application. So we have devices around the building. We have the light traps, blue traps, rodent monitoring stations, and it gives us a pest count. It gives us pest trend analysis for us to be able to determine ano ba yung mga areas na kailangan ng focus. Actually, may mga mapping yung devices natin. So it gives us every month ng top 3 areas with the highest pest count. So we can just focus on that. It has to be sustainable. Again, prevention is always less expensive than a crisis. Peace, not pest, zero pest.